but I don't know if both stages are gonna work. We'll find out.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, hold on. Wind's going that way now.
I hope it does.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
Where is it? I can't see it. Oh, I see it. Oh my God.
That's gonna go so far.
It fell on the floor
It's
over
right
there.
there. It's right there, Colin.
It's right there,
Yeah, I'll
Colin.
get it. Oh my god.
I'm like those dumb hipster kids with their phones.
They're like goalies like over there, you know, and then they launch the rocket. He's like, oh, and they give you.
That would be awesome.
Where is it?
It fell.
Oh, that was the plane. Is it still up?
No, it fell
It's
already.
over by that tree.
By that tree.
Oh, look at the little kids. Like,
Let's go run to it.
Smell, it smells like fart. Oh God! Smell it.
It burned!
Ow!
Fart. Look at these kids are like, oh, I'm gonna go touch Colin's rocket.
Bullshit.
He's
Hey!
He doesn't swing his arms when he walks.
Colin?
Yeah.
He tries to.
He walks
got
like
really-
I
he-
used to walk when I was a kid. I never used to